Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can migrate to Germany without a job offer, and also I will be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can apply, the document that is required, how long is the process, and everything you need to know. Okay, without further delay, let's get into the video. As you can see, the name of this visa is called Germany Job Seeker Visa. As you can see over here, Germany is one of the most sought after countries for foreigners to find employment, as it offers plenty of opportunities for talented and skilled individuals. The Job Seeker Visa in Germany is one of the many immigration pathways which allows third country nationals to enter the country and look for employment within a specific time frame. At the end of the time frame, if you have managed to find employment, you can simply apply for a work visa and a resident permit. That is, this visa, the Job Seeker Visa, you will apply for the visa without a job, then you go into the country and look for job. Okay, once you are able to find a job, you can switch from this Job Seeker Visa to a resident permit. Okay, this Job Seeker Visa is not a tourist visa. This one means that you are going there to look for a job. Okay, and the good part of it, guys, there's no language that is required. You don't need any language at all. Okay, no language is required, but if you have a language, if you can speak German, it will be easier for you to also get a job. However, it is crucial to understand whether you meet the qualification for a Job Seeker Visa and the requirement for the application process. Don't worry, I'll be showing you all the requirement that is required and also how you can apply for the visa. Okay, first of all, let's know what is this Job Seeker Visa. Okay, what is a Germany Job Seeker Visa? A German Job Seeker Visa is a work visa issued to anyone who wants to find work in Germany. If you are granted this visa, you are allowed to stay in the country for several months, usually 6 months, and find employment, and afterward apply for a work permit and remain in Germany long term. Okay, this Job Seeker Visa, as I have told you before, is a type of visa that is issued to you to go and look for job in the country. The immigration, the embassies, all of them know that you are coming to the country to look for a job, and it usually take how long? 6 months. Within 6 months, definitely you will get a job. Please know that if you already have found employment and have a valid contract, you do not need to apply for a Job Seeker Visa. You can apply for work permit directly. Okay, of course, there's so many opportunities in Germany. Okay, you will find a job. Okay, do I need to apply for a Germany Job Seeker Visa? You need a Job Seeker Visa if you are not a national of the following countries: EU and Switzerland, Australia, blah blah blah, all this. Okay, we are not, that is not our business because we need it. Okay, Japan, Israel. If you are from Israel, if you are from South Korea, you don't need it. If you are from Israel, you don't need it. If you are from Japan, Canada, and USA, you don't need it. Okay, all you need to do is that you just need to obtain a resident permit. Okay, before you can work in Germany. Okay, what are the eligibility criteria for a Germany Job Seeker Visa? To qualify for the Job Seeker Visa, you need to meet the following requirements. Number 1, you are a third country national who needs a work visa to enter into the country. Okay. Number 2, you have a minimum of 5 years of experience in your related profession. And number 3, you have enough financial resources to support your stay in Germany. Guys, this one, don't worry about it, but we are also advise you to worry about it because it's for your own good. Okay, before you think of traveling, you need to have some money in case of scarcity, in case you didn't find a job on time, so that you can be able to live your life without any financial issue. Okay, you have proof of completed academic or vocational training. Your qualifications are recognized in Germany or equivalent to a diploma received in the country. Okay, what are the requirements for a Germany job seeker visa? The requirements or the requirements. Okay, number one is you need job seeker visa application form. You must submit a file out and signed application form for your job seeker visa. You need an application form. Okay, application form for the job seeker visa. Number two is what? A valid passport. That was the second one. And number three is identity pictures. As you can see, you need a passport size photograph. Okay, and mind you guys, make sure you provide a valid passport issued during the last 10 years with 2 blank pages and a minimum of 3 months after leaving. Usually they said 6 months, but I'm surprised because I told you guys these people, they need what is it called, they need workers. Okay, please do well to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section if you have any question or contribution. Okay, like this video, that motivates me to do more videos like this, and also leave a comment in the comment section if you have any question or contribution. Okay, proof of accommodation. You must include proof of accommodation during your stay in Germany, such as a hotel reservation, rental agreement, or an invitation letter in case you are staying with a friend or a family member. You can normally, if you don't have anyone there, you can always go to booking.com and book a hotel reservation, or because you are staying for a long term, you can go to your Facebook account and find a place to stay. Okay, because you are staying there for 6 months, it's not even 6 months, it's a lifetime, because you should have a positive mindset that you are going there for a job. Okay, you just go there, go to your Facebook account, or you go to your Chrome browser or Google browser and look for apartment, check for the price for the apartment. Then you don't really need to pay, but you can tell them you are coming, communicate with the landlord, tell them you are coming, they will understand and also keep the place for you. It's more cheaper for you instead of getting a hotel. Okay, proof of financial means. You must also include proof that you have sufficient means to support yourself during your stay in Germany. You can do so by submitting one of the following: proof of blocked account, okay, in your name, showing a minimum of 947 euro that you can cover your expenses per month. Okay, why they are doing this? Because they don't want you to get stranded or frustrated when you are in the country. You are there to look for a job. At least you need to also, you have to eat, pay your rent, pay your bills. There are sometimes you have to pay what is it called, taxi, to go to your job interview. So you need money. Yes, you can't just come to the country and start begging. It does not make sense. Okay, try to have some money before you apply for this visa. Okay, declaration of commitment, evidence of valid health insurance. Okay, and what next? Okay, then proof of academic qualifications. You must submit proof of academic and professional qualifications, including your university degree, transcript, vocational training certificate, and so on and so forth. Okay, proof of recognition. Remember that for a job seeker visa, your degrees and other academic qualifications must be fully recognized in Germany. You can check with the Anabian database here. Okay, your resume is also needed. As you can see, your resume, submit a copy of your detailed CV with your personal information, including your academic and professional qualifications. Cover letter, provide a cover letter. Okay, yes, Provide a cover letter or motivational letter stating your reasons for applying for a job seeker visa in Germany and what you plan to do if your visa is granted. Okay, how do I apply for a job seeker visa for Germany? Okay, to apply for a job seeker visa in Germany, you must follow this step. Find out if you meet the eligible requirements. Locate your application office. Next is to schedule an appointment. To prepare your documents. Pay the visa fee. Of course, the visa is not free. Submit your application. Retrieve your visa, and then you enter the country. Okay, let's see how long it will take. Find out if you meet the eligible requirement before applying for a job seeker visa. Okay, locate your application office. If you meet the eligible criteria for a job seeker visa in Germany, you must find where in your country you should submit your visa application. You are likely to submit your visa application at an embassy or consulate. Okay, what next? Schedule an appointment. After you locate the appropriate embassy or consulate for your job seeker visa application, you have to schedule an appointment. Please note that you must make the appointment first, as you cannot visit the embassy or consulate without a prior approval. Okay, the next one is you prepare your documents. While you wait for your application, while you wait for your appointment, you must prepare several documents. You can find the complete list below. Okay, you have to make sure all the documents are per the embassy requirement, and some may require translation into German and legislation to be eligible for submission. What next is you must pay your visa fee. Okay, what is next is you submit your application. Okay, say you pay your visa fee. You must also pay the visa fee and attach the payment slip to the rest of your application. Please note that your application won't be considered without paying the visa fee. Finally, you submit your application. Finally, on the day of your visa appointment, you can submit your application at the embassy or consulate. You may also be asked to sit down for an interview related to your application. The embassy or consulate staff will mostly likely ask you why you have applied for a job seeker visa, what you plan on working in Germany, and how long you are planning to stay there. Okay, next is you retrieve your visa. If your visa application is positive, you can retrieve your visa and enter Germany and stay for the duration of your visa. During that time, you are required to actively look for employment. If you want to continue your stay, if your visa is denied, you will receive a notification from the embassy or consulate with the reasons of your denial and what to do next. Enter the country with a job seeker visa. After you obtain your visa, you can enter the country and start looking for a job, so that by the end of your visa validity period, you can apply for a German work visa. Please keep in mind that as soon as you enter the country, you must register your temporary address at your temporary address in Germany at your local registration office. You are required to do this 2 weeks after entering Germany. Additionally, you must also obtain your temporary resident permit for a job seeker person, which you can obtain from your local foreign authorities. Okay, let's go. What is next? Where do I apply? Okay, you have to apply for a job seeker visa at your nearest German embassy. It's not done online. This one is done in Germany embassy, consulate, or another visa application center in your country representing Germany. You can see you cannot be scammed. Never. Please note that if Germany does not have any official representative in your country of residence, you may be required to submit your application to a neighboring country. Let's see how long is the process. How long does it take to process? it usually takes 4 to 6 weeks to process your German job seeker visa, but this processing time can be longer depending on the embassy and whether your application is complete. Okay, it take 4 to 6 weeks. How much does a German job seeker visa cost? A job seeker visa in Germany costs around 75 euro. Most embassies will ask you to pay visa fee such as in cash and convert it in your local currency if required. The most important one is this: how long it takes to process. This job seeker visa in Germany, that you can migrate to Germany within 4 to 6 weeks. Okay, for how long is a Germany job seeker valid? Is valid for 6 months. As you can see, it's valid for 6 months. Your German job seeker visa is a national ID visa, valid for 6 months. Please take note of your visa validity period and make sure you won't stay for more than you are allowed, otherwise you may face penalties. Can I come with my family? Can I come with my family with a job seeker visa in Germany? Everybody always wants to migrate with their family and so on, because that's the more reason why everyone is strongly. Generally, you are not allowed to bring your family to Germany on a job seeker visa. However, if you find employment and receive a work visa, you can get your close friends, your close family member, that is your partner and children. That is, first of all, you have to go there and sort yourself out first, get a job before you can be able to bring anyone that you want to bring. Okay, can I extend the visa? You cannot extend a job seeker visa. Once the visa expires, you must return to your home country. You can reapply for the same visa after you have spent the same amount of time outside of Germany as you were in the country seeking employment. Please know that if you find employment, you can apply for a work visa and continue your stay. Okay, can I convert my job seeker visa to a work visa in Germany? If you find employment, yeah, you can convert it to a work visa. Okay, do I need to know German? As I told you before, no language is required. You are not required to provide proof of language proficiency for job seeker visa in Germany. Still, you highly encourage you to develop your German language skills, as long as you have a higher chance of finding employment. Okay, if you have this, what is it called, if you can speak German, it will be very easy for you to get a job. Okay, because you can be able to communicate. You can communicate with your partner, with your clients. You can communicate with your employer. It is very easy. Okay, not everyone in Germany speak English. Okay, they care about their local language a lot. Okay, that is why you have to take, if you can be able to speak before applying, I will advise you try to go online on YouTube, learn about their languages. Okay, it's very important so that you can easily get a job on time. Okay, let's see this one. Can I work in Germany with a job seeker visa? Generally, you are not allowed to work in Germany under a job seeker visa, but in specific cases you may be permitted to work 10 hours a week on a trial basis for a position you apply for. You will need to discuss this with your future employer and the immigration office in your region. Okay, once you migrate to the country, you can be able to just meet them. You want to work, you need some things, blah blah blah, and all of that. Okay, pros and cons for Germany work visa. You can enter the country to look for work. You cannot extend the visa. Okay, you can convert your visa to work visa. You must find employment within 6 months. No language skills are required for this visa application. Languages are needed for better chances of finding a job. Opportunity to work in one of the best world economy. Okay, guys, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload new videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. And also, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions or contribution. Okay, see you in my next video, guys.